I was a math major. And I literally chose it because I hate taking humanities. And the bottomest tier humanity to me is history. I am not a good student, so if I don't care, I don't work. Math and physics were the only subjects that could make me do work outside of class. I was in school on a scholarship given to me by my current employer. This scholarship required me to take a history class, which I put off until the final semester of my final year. Coincidentally, I also needed one more humanities elective to earn my mathematics degree. So I took history and I absolutely sucked. Me just being a lazy student plus senioritis plus assigned job offer was the worst combination ever. I attended maybe 6 classes and I missed both the midterm and the final. He was a shitty teacher, I had him before, and he doesn't put any grades in until they are due at the end of the semester. So all this time I had no clue what my grade was. But I could assume it was probably a flat F, especially considering he tried to have 2 to 3 talks with me about my shitty attendance. And I kept skipping anyway. In the last few weeks I realized that not only would an F mean I lose my job and owe the scholarship back, it also means I don't graduate. I'm literally doing orientation at my job. 1 week until grades are due. I called and emailed the professor, went to his office hours, but he left to Africa, woman facepalming. So I did the only thing I could think to do. I sat down and wrote a 700-word essay apology for my rudeness and tardiness. I implored him to remember the other class I took with him and how this was just an off semester for me. I told him how failing would mean delayed graduation and loss of job security and $100,000 in debt, which would absolutely devastate me and my baby daughter as we're on our own. I thanked him for allowing me to take the class. Sent it and crossed my heckin' fingers. No response, but 4 days later there was a C posted next to Hist 451.